Event contracts are finally live on Jupiter, where you can bet on real-world events such as sports and crypto, all powered by Kalshi. It's never been easier to make money on prediction markets, so today I wanted to cover a quick guide on how to use this new feature. Let's take a look. So here's the official announcement from Jupiter, and here's a cool introductory video. So pretty straightforward explanation on real world events where you can either bet a yes or a no on the outcome of the event. And this is applicable to many events in the world, including sports, crypto, election, entertainment, finance. The list is endless on things you can bet on. So Jupiter has partnered with Kalshi on this. At launch, they are featuring the outcome of the F1 race winner. So who will be the Gran Premio de Mexico winner? We have three top options: Max, Lando, or Oscar. And as you can see, there is a probability score on who will win this race. So currently 49% for Max, 29 for the next, and 22. And these are binary numbers. This is all out of 100. So if you wanted to bet on Max, that would be 49 cents per contract. The payout is always $1 per contract. So this is roughly a 51% payout if the contract resolves is true. So upside potential, that's pretty much a 50% gain if you were to buy this yes contract. So let's say you wanted to buy the Max Verstappen contract at a yes at 49 cents each. So if you were to buy 1,000 of these contracts, and if it were to resolve is true, that would be roughly a $500 gain. If you were to buy 10,000 contracts and the outcome was true, that would be a $5,000 gain. Again, 50%. So you kind of get the idea. You can also speculate on some of the other racers here. Lando at 29 cents. And Oscar at 22 cents. And keep in mind, these numbers update in real time, so the price here isn't fixed. As you can see, the number just jumped up higher. Make sure you have some USDC in your Solana wallet here, and you can place your bet that way. All current open positions are shown here, and your history would be shown here. And as an added bonus, you can always run this question through your favorite LLM. This would also show you a probability score of the outcome. This is a smart way about going about placing your trades. Cool. And if the contract resolves is true, your payout is immediate. You'll be paid out in USDC. So personally, I am loving this new feature by Jupiter. They are becoming a all-in-one super app. Pretty cool. And stay tuned for more updates. Kalshi will be introducing a lot more event contracts right inside of Jupiter. So what do you think about this new prediction market feature? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of other crypto tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.